Hello friends and welcome to the Knowledge Triangle. Today we will see how to learn online by using Wi-Fi study app. That is, we can learn online as well as we can prepare for any exam by using Wi-Fi study app. So here we go. So in Wi-Fi study app there are different exam preparation we can do. So here we can see aptitude, reasoning, GK and current affair and technical also. So these are the different videos uploaded by the Wi-Fi study app staff members. So any video you can play at any time and you can study your favorite subject or the subject of your exam preparation. So first of all, if you see in aptitude section, then different videos are uploaded. We can click on any video and the lecture video we can learn or see online. So here different videos are available. So open one video. So this video is opening and we can see online. So now play this video. RRB, that is the Railway Recruitment Board exam. So maths, we can open and play this video. We can also make forward, and we can also download the PDF of the video also. So here there is a facility to download the PDF. So if we click on the download, here we can download the PDF or we can view the PDF file online also. So in PDF file different notes or question answers may be available. So click on the open. So choose any app to open the PDF file. So here PDF file is downloaded in download management. So now click on the file, open with the PDF file. Then here now you can see the RRB group exam PDF is open. So here different notes, question answer, PPTs, everything, means every material that you want to study or you want to prepare for the exam. So whatever lecture content is delivered by the teacher is available in this PDF. So in this way we can download the PDF also. Now if you go back, then you can add this video in the favorite my bookmark. So in my bookmark different videos you can bookmark, so you can see this video later on. So important video you can bookmark. So in the same way as like aptitude, you have reasonings. So there are different videos uploaded on the reasoning topic, then GK, general science, general knowledge, general aptitude. So earth and universe, different videos are there. So then current affair. On current affair lecture videos you can also see there are different current affair videos uploaded by the teacher. Then technical videos are also available. So in technical video also you can see different technical such as exams in engineering and technology. So here in the test section you can give online test of any exam, such as here RRB NTPC Maths and Reasoning CBT1 test is scheduled. So the date on which the test is going to conduct is also given, and the date on which result is going to declare is also given on this schedule. So here you can opt for any test, but right now the time over this red option has displayed, it shows that the time is over. So currently no test is available on this site. So you can also solve quizzes online, but here no quiz is available and times up option is showing. Now here in the doubt session you can ask your doubt or you can answer to the doubts asked by any students in this section. So here the different answered and unanswered questions are given. So here you can give the answer to different questions by just putting the text or by just uploading the image also. So here you can add your answer by just typing your answer with the help of the mobile keyboard. So here you can type anything and you can submit it. So there is the option submit, so you can submit, or you can also upload the photo of any answer. So So there are different facilities are available in the doubt section. So unanswered question and answered question. So here in the answered questions, you can see the different students or participants have uploaded the images of answers. Someone have texted the answer and someone have posted it as an image. So in both the ways you can answer the questions in the doubt section. You can see here in unanswered questions and in answered questions also. So there is a facility to present or put the answers of the different questions asked by the different participants. So here in the profile section, you can see you can do the many changes. So you can change your exam: SSC, railway, bank and insurance, defense, then state level, engineering, civil services, then different exams are given here. So you can opt for any exam such as JEE, advanced and main. So any exam you opt, accordingly the lecture videos and subject material will be provided to you. So here you can change your exam as per your requirement, and you can change any changes in the profile section. You can share the videos also to the different social media app or to different video editing app or anywhere you want to share your video. So you can exit the app also by using exit app. So in the technical section here, you can see different technical videos are there. In technical, you can search here the lecture you want to see. So here text the keyboard NTPC. Suppose I want to search NTPC exam, then the videos related to the NTPC will appear here. So all the videos related to the NTPC will be appeared here. So again, with the help of this calendar, I can manage my lectures of different dates. I can select here. So this facility is also available in this Wi-Fi Study app. So here if you scroll up, then different sub exams you can also select by using this facility. In this way you can study online or you can prepare for any exam with the help of Wi-Fi Study app. So if you like this video, then subscribe the channel and suggest this video and share this video among your friends. Thank you very much and stay connected. Thank you.